Brio is one of the latest additions in the sleek range of chimneys. The elegant black design with soft touch control options provide you with an amazing cooking experience. The suction capacity is 1000 m³ per hour, which is ideal for medium to large kitchens. The suction can be controlled by a smart motion sensor that can help you optimize the power consumed by using regular suction for light smoke cooking like cooking rice, making rotis, and high suction for heavy smoke cooking like making parathas, deep frying, etc. with just a wave of hand. This is a filterless chimney, which means you do not need to hassle yourself with frequent cleaning of filters. The oil and masala will flow into the metallic oil collector for further ease of cleaning. Just remove it, wash it with water, dry or wipe it and put it right back. Let's recap the USPs of Brio. 1000 m³ per hour suction. Filterless, ease of maintenance. Metallic oil collector, ease of cleaning, lifelong. Smart motion control, easy control and optimization.